place of Cana, and Jesus, together with his disciple and his mother, were invited to the wedding. But in the middle of the ceremony, in the middle of the festivity, the bridegroom or the host family encountered a very serious problem. And what was that serious problem? They ran out of wine. And to run out of wine in the Jewish wedding ceremony context, indeed, is a serious ceremony. Alam niyo po kasi, bahagi po palagi iyan no, ng handa po nila sa bawat pagtitipon at bawat mga events na meron po sila. So when the wine was gone, no, and Mary, the mother of Jesus in the flesh, found out the problem, the good thing that she did is she approached our Lord Jesus Christ and told the problem. Jesus said, "Mother, why do you involve me? My time has not yet come." So even though it was not yet time for Jesus to perform miracle, but the good thing that she did is, or the good thing that Jesus Christ did is, he went to the kitchen and performed his very first miracle by turning that ordinary water into a very, very special wine. And he called, and told the servant, draw and some and take it to the master of the bucket. And when the master of the bucket tasted the water that had been turned into wine, and he was so shocked and he was so happy and called the bridegroom aside and said, kakaiba ka, sabi niya gano'n, yung mga ibang kinakasal, ang masarap na alak, inihanda sa mga unang araw ng nakasalan, that you have saved the best till now. Alam niyo po,